Okay, some of you might be wondering how to change oil in a Honda CBR 600. It's pretty easy really. You have your sump here and here. All you need is a 17 mil spanner. You have to heaten up the engine for about 10 or 15 minutes just so the oil will flow. And it should just loosen like that. Now just be very careful when you're taking this nut off because it can just kind of pop out just as you get to the end of it. And there we go. There's your oil. It should be about 3.6 litres of oil. So I did that one. Now another handy thing for taking off the oil filter is one of these. I would strongly suggest buying one. It's kind of like a wrench. Makes your life pretty easy. I hope I judged this right. I hope there is only 3 litres. 3.5 litres of oil. Or I'm in trouble. I might have to stick the nut back on it. Slow down. Alright, there we go. Not bad. There we go. It's filling up grand here now. So when you hear it drizzle like that, that's when you know it's at the end of it. Okay, YouTubers, now as you can see here, you have your oil filters in, perfect, never over tighten it. I don't know, can you see this now, but the oil goes in right there, see it? Now I'll show you what I'm using. I have a this where your dipstick comes out, and there's where you can see full will be up to that second mark. That's the maximum. We'll put in our thing here. Now I'm using Valvoline Oil Climate 10W40 synthetic technology. Now it takes the Honda CBR 695 takes 3.6 litres. Basically, if you see here, you have your markers here, which on this side is in litres, so that's 1 litre, 2 litre, 3 litre, and then to here will be 3.5, and then you have here, there's a little line there, so that's my my marker for 3.6 litres. So you just basically pour away. careful with this, it kind of comes out a bit quick at times. There we go. Now, what are we down to? God, we have a long ways to go yet. Always take your time. Unlike me, I'm inclined to rush everything. There we go. You see now? We're at we're nearly 2 litres, so we have to go again. Nearly down to the line. Almost there. It's a good idea to give it a start then when you're at the 3.6 litres and leave it circulating the engine. And then check your dipstick. Make sure it's up to the mark. We're nearly there. A little bit more. I see now. Good idea to put this on a flat surface. Not a little bit more. We're almost there. A little bit more. And just a small bit more. And that should just be about right. Now, take out this. Wiggle to the side and make sure your ring here is, because sometimes it can come down, put it back up to the top. You see it there, that ring? That's your sealer. And put this back on. Be careful with this when you're putting it on that it lines up with the threads, because you can very easily tarnish it. And then tighten this, thumb tight, not too tight, but just enough to, because it can be hard when it heats up to get it back off. Now, we'll start our engine and see how we're going. Sounds good. check your dipstick. Good idea to have a bit of tissue or something handy. I don't know if you can see this, but you see it kind of, it says the line in the middle, that's your maximum point. So you just put her in then. Once you clean it with a cloth, obviously, and tighten it. Open it again, and spot on. She's spot on maximum. On the button. I said, put a wipe for cloth, and that's it. You have your oil done. Oil change and filter. Honda CBR 600. Hope you enjoyed it, and be sure to give me a like, and I'll be back again. Thanks a lot. Bye for now.